Okay, everybody, get ready. We are going to make an adorable spider and mummy sign tonight. Hey, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks for coming back. We're going to start with two of these little wood squares from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to mix these two colors. Okay, so then we're going to paint one, that purplish color that we made. Then I'm going to take this Dollar Tree spider and just cut the legs off. Next, I have a piece of chalk, and I'm just going to do a cute little face. And I'm going to color it all in. Now I'm painting in the eyes, and I'm painting in, or using a paint marker, whatever works, 2 eyes and a mouth. And then put 2 little dots for your eyes. Cute, right? All right. Now, those little legs, what we're going to do is kind of position it so that the square falls right in between, right? And then we're going to put a bunch of glue, like glob it on. That's why I have my silicone mat here. Glob it on, and then put your square on top. Squeeze it down just a little bit. And then once it dries, I put a little bit more, glob a little bit more on there just to make sure it's adhered. All right, now we're going to take another one of those squares and we're going to paint it all black. Perfect. Once that's dry, we're going to do 2 eyes. And I am coloring mine in with a paint marker and then let it dry. I actually used some glow-in-the-dark paint to go over it. I hope it'll work. I'm not sure if it will yet. And then I'm putting 2 dots in the eyes just to give it more personality. Next, I have some cheesecloth. This is like you buy it in the baking section or the cooking section. And I cut a strip. It's probably 1 to 2 inches thick. And I'm going to start wrapping it on our square. And I did it all over. I kind of like folded it. Listen, we're making a mummy, so all bets are off. You do whatever you want to do to make your mummy look the way you want it to look. I'm just kind of going all around. I'm going over the corners. Then I go over the middle again. However you want it to make it look. It's fine. Look how cute this is. Oh, already I love it. So cute. All right. Then go around, and then all I did was go around the front and glue it and adhered. Done. Like, boop, over. Look how cute. Ah. Now I have a piece of ribbon, I think that, and it's doubled, and I put a knot on the top. I think I got this from Joann Fabrics or Michaels. Then I'm going to put a bunch of glue on the back of our spider, and I'm going to then adhere it to the top of our ribbon. Now this ribbon I probably have, I want to say it's at least probably 20 inches long. And the reason why is because we're going to adhere a bunch of these and make a whole sign. The other 2, don't worry, are going to be tomorrow. But look at how cute. Our little spider's on it. And then we're going to add our mummy. And I'm putting the ribbon behind the cheesecloth just because I thought it might give it more stability. After doing this, though, friends, I'm going to tell you right now, I probably would have just taken a regular stapler and stapled it on the back. I don't know what all right, I know I wasn't thinking. I was just gluing it, which is fine. But I think if you want to go the next step, I would staple it on. Just an opinion. There's that. And look at how cute. And this is what the entire sign looks like. Yes, friends, tomorrow I'm going to post Frankenstein and the bat. You know I don't do anything scary. So come on. These are cute, right? Anyways, thanks for watching. And I hope this inspired you.